Good morning, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to do a palm tree painting, coconut palm, and this is my reference photos here. I'm going to try to be painting that, and I got my color wheel. Also I got a reference like color that I want to go off of and that, but I want to paint this palm here. So I printed these out. I want to try to get the colors going, see what I can come up with. Okay, I got my base color, got the range on there. I'm hoping to leave a little bit of range of, yeah, you can still see the range. I'm going to be painting with a bigger brush on this painting, just trying to keep it loose and bigger and very colorful. Okay, I got my painting done now. I brought it outside to give it a coat of this varnish. It was like $19 at the art store. I like the nozzle on this. It does a better spray. It's to give you a clear coat, protect the painting. So right now the paintings, all the colors are showing, showing through, but once it dries, it should go back to where it was. So I'm just gonna take it in and do a wire on the back of it so if somebody buys it, they can hang it up. And so, but it's all done now. I usually bring it outside to give it this spray and then give it a couple hours outside before I take it in. This spray also doesn't smell as much as the one that I usually buy at like Michael's or Walmart. It doesn't smell as strong, so I think it does the same purpose. It's just a better nozzle on it, and also it doesn't smell as much. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be painting more in the future.